Good evening everyone, today we'll be looking at my first ever Henry London watch review. So let's get right into it, shall we? So initially look at the box. You've got like this long, almost like a glasses case style box, presentation style. Originally there was a white sort of outside cover, but I'm not going to bother showing you that bit. Let's have a look inside, shall we? The simple white sort of beigey sort of finish inside the box, just simple with a bit of elastic just to hold that Henry London watch in place. Take this out of here. Shut the glove on it. So here we go guys, this is the Henry London Richmond Moonface. So it's 39mm case diameter. Case thickness probably sits just under 40mm and retails at £71 and uses a quartz movement. So let's have a look at the dial. So the dial is like a greyish sort of white colour dial. We've obviously got quite a lot of detail going on in terms of what's actually on the dial of the watch. So what we actually have is a date, a day, a month and a moon phase. All going on with hands and dials on the face. You also may notice that this is a slightly curved, double domed acrylic lens on top. Overall, it seems to be really nicely put together. Got fully luminous hour hands and seconds hands as well. Sorry, hour hands and minute hands. And a straight, simple arrowhead, flat seconds hand. Don't often see the arched hands nowadays. Do probably own a bit more expensive watches, but this one's, you probably think it's a bit more than it actually is. So coming to the casing, got a stainless steel casing going on here. A moon phase reset button, so you push this to adjust the moon phase to the day you want. Let's have a look at the dial, the crown movement. Decent strong movement, a little bit flimsy, but it's not too bad. You expect a little bit of cheapness from the price of the watch itself. Doesn't actually appear to be working, this one. The back is dead. Oh, it's a shame. I'd like to have been able to show you that one. Oh well. Coming out to the strap, you've got a plain 20mm strap, so if you wanted to change that, you need a 20mm strap to fit in there. Coming around the back, just got that marked Henry back plate there with its Japanese quartz movements, as it says here. Just a simple plain mirror effect to that back plate. Just on the back of this leather strap, you've got a single, it says it's 18mm actually, but it says 20mm on the strap, on the specs. Oh well, that's weird. Sorry about that. 18mm is the strap with a single line stitch window system with no, singular window system with no sort of metal enhancement inside there to stop that fraying. But that's quite a popular thing nowadays, is to see them without the metal enhancements because it allows for stretching the strap to fit a tighter fit. So there we go guys, that is the Henry London Richmond 39mm.